Hi students of class 5. Today we will revise the question answer of chapter 2. Everyone I think has finished writing the question answer in the computer CW copy. Those who have not finished, please finish it at home and send it to me for correction at dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com. And those who have finished, please get ready with the computer copy, and those who have not finished, get ready with the book. And let's start. What are the question answers there? First question we have done, what are the functions of the operating system? Okay, memory management, processor management, device management. What is memory management? That means memory management refers to the management of the primary or the main memory. The OS, operating system, allocates the memory to different programs. It also frees the memory when it is not in use. Processor management, when there is more than one program working, the OS decide which process gets the processor, when and for how much time. This is the work of the processor, and this is called the processor management. Device management, the operating system manages all the input and the output devices, and this is the device management. There are many more functions of the operating system, but these are three are the most important function. Next question we have done, why is the language processor required? Language processor translates the program written in the high level language into machine level language so that the computer can understand and execute them. And what are the different language processors available? Compiler, interpreter and assembler. What is the use of the antivirus software? Sometimes the computers are attacked by a virus program which may destroy our data and harm the computer. Antivirus program detects and removes the virus from the computer, from the system or file by scanning it. This is the purpose of the antivirus software. What is the need of the backup software? Sometimes for this virus attack, we may lose some of the data or maybe system crash. To prevent this, it is better to have a copy of our document in the secondary device like hard disk, pen drive or CD, something like that. And this backup utility is helpful for this. What is the need of the compression utility? Now the compression utility helps to compress and decompress the file. That means whenever we want to store it, it will compress the size of the file, and whenever we need to use it, it will again get back to the previous size. That means decompress the file. Now there are two softwares like WinZip and 7-Zip is used. Many more are there. What is the use of disk defragmenter? It arranges the file which are scattered in the hard disk. That means the linked files are stored next to each other and free space is moved to another end. This helps to increase the speed of the computer. Next is this chapter you have to learn certain things like the different operating systems that are available in the market. What is the most used operating system till now? What is Google Android? How popular it is? Then you have to learn about the different software names for the general purpose software, and what are the purpose for the special purpose software. That also you have to learn. But learning the examples of the general purpose software is very important. Along with this, you have to learn about the let's recap of page 25 in this chapter. So these are the things we have done in this chapter, the question answer, the underlined portions of the chapter. So this is the CW work. Your HW work is to learn this question answer and the underlined portions of chapter 2 at home thoroughly, and try to write it at home at least 1 or 2 times so that your spelling gets improved. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. And please stay at home, study at home, don't waste your time. Bye bye.